Hi, my name is Maria. I want to show you how make a beautiful bows, okay? This is a double, and it's so pretty, that ribbon. Put double ribbons. That one is burla and buffalo. And depends how long you want the tails. If you want a big tails, short tails, and a small bow for sweats or a big bow for a big wreath, you can make any size, okay? Let me start it. First, you can put together the ribbon, and then you can do like this and twist one time, just one time, and put that one inside like this, inside, okay? And hold it with this finger and then switch, and this just put inside like this and twist again, and then here, if you want a short one, a small bow, or a bigger one, I can make kind of just not too big, not too small, and then twist again, just couple times, and then open your fingers and put that one inside here, and make sure both is kind of the same size, and then you can go up and open over here, and go up and down and open your finger over here too again, and then go up and open your finger and put inside over here again, and then go up again and go down and open your finger over here like this, and then make sure it's the same, and you can move that one in the center, and the wire, you can put the wire like this, and you can put the four tails together, and you can cut like this, not like this, like this, and you can have it like this, okay? And then this is the bow. You can move little bit like this, and it's so pretty. And we have a different bows, different nice ribbon. We got another bow over here. That one is beautiful. It's a big bow for the wreath of 48-inch.
They are beautiful. Thank
Yeah,
you, Maria.
yeah, you're welcome.